So today we're going to show you how to deadhead petunias the correct way, so keep watching. So petunias are one of our most popular summer bedding plants, flowering throughout the summer until the severe frost of autumn. Their mass flowers brings lots of great colour to gardens. The compact bushy varieties are perfect for planting in beds, borders and railings. They brighten up hanging baskets and for flowering down edges of containers. There's a great variety in petunia flowers, a wide range of both single and double blooms, smooth ruffled petals, solid single striped, veined or picotee edged colours, and even fragrance. Do you have to deadhead petunias? Only if you want long leaves and nothing else. Basic petunia deadheading info consists of 2 rules. Clip off the blooms once they turn brown and cut off the stems directly above the next set of leaves. So some people will just grab the dying flower and pull it out, but this is incorrect, as now the pod is left on the plant and inside is the seeds, and the plant will tell the pod to form seeds, and we don't want that. So what we need to do is to take off this pod at the base of the stem and remove that. Now the plant can regrow and get bushier. So by deadheading, we'll encourage the plant to grow bushy and form a nice display. So we're going all through the plant, snipping off the dead ones. And that will encourage it to become bushier and stronger. Unfortunately, these colourful blossoms die off quickly, leaving you the job of deadheading petunias. So petunias are amongst the most popular garden flower. They're easy to care for and inexpensive, and fill the garden with large colours all summer long. So I hope you found that interesting and hope you found that useful information. And also on my channel I've got a video of growing petunias from seed to finish, so I shall put a link above and the description below. So thank you very much, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and leave me a comment. We like all the comments and we reply to everybody. So thank you very much. Cheers.